Hey guys, it's Andrew from Grasping Triumph. So this is my first video on a new series I'm kind of working out. Basically, I'm just going to talk about the stuff I write about and see if it adds any value to you guys. So the last post I put up was called "Never Lose Hope," and it's just kind of some stuff I was thinking about after reading a book. And basically, it's just kind of talking about how we are all on an atomic level composed of the same atoms that used to compose all of our ancestors and stuff. So I'm just going to read it out and, let me know what you think. So, everything is composed of atoms. Every single thing you see around you is composed of trillions of beyond microscopic particles. It's a little unnerving and also sort of liberating to know how much is happening we're all unaware of. These atoms bond together to form new molecules. In every cubic centimeter of sea air, there's roughly 45 billion molecules, and each molecule consists of two or more atoms. That means that there are quite a few atoms out there. 1 cubic centimeter is roughly the size of a sugar cube. Now imagine how many sugar cubes it would take to compose something on the scale of your body. In short, you're made of quite a lot of atoms. After we all die, our atoms eventually disperse out into the universe. However, most of them will end up staying on planet Earth and will be recycled into new organisms and matter. It's thought that every single person alive today will have up to 1 billion atoms, remembering how small a proportion there really is compared to how many we have. If any historical figure you care to mention, Shakespeare, Buddha, Jesus, all these people have died and had their atoms dispersed back into the world to further form more matter in life. And if you trace our lineage back far enough, it's supposed that we all came from a small population of a few thousand Homo sapiens, who repopulated their species after some sort of climate change, like a ice age event. Before that, even there was a very first organism. And because the organism discovered how to, or sort of just accidentally propagated, we all now exist. And we all have at some point one common ancestor. In terms of Homo sapiens, there's been so much interbreeding that's almost a guarantee that you were related in some way to everyone around you, including me. Hey, cousin. Every single person, really. So your ancestors, or essentially everyone, have all passed away to form you, literally. The atoms that composed your ancestors, their literal physical makeup, is what is now you. You were your ancestors in the most literal sense of the phrase. When your ancestors died, they didn't ascend up to some misplaced heaven to spend eternity beating down at you as you live your life. They died, decayed, and were then amalgamated along with particles from exploded stars, falling rocks, other celestial bodies, and trees and animals and other people to form you. And in the same way, after you pass on, you too will be dispersed back into the universe to further form new life, and to contribute to the future members of your family. You won't recognize it as such, for you'll have lost the capacity to recognize anything. But in the same way your ancestors are you, you will be your descendants. You are the universe, and the universe is you. We're all connected like a wave crashing to shore because of the current of the whole ocean. And it's only through some twist of fate you happen to be sentient and thus able to recognize it. So next time you feel doubt about your place in the world, think about that and smile, because you are everything, and everything is you.